Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Here is the delicious new yellow jajak lepon authentic dessert from Gianyar, Bali. For the natural color, I use yellow sweet potato. So absolutely yummy. We have just added this dessert to our cooking class choice list. Happy cooking! Matur suksema! Come and join with me on your next visit to my island home, and we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. And also now we are ready with the online cooking class. For more information, kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. Matur suksema!